Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying prerequisites. Check your device model and OS version so you know which menu labels to use. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and you're on stable Wi-Fi to avoid updates mid-process. Now open Settings, go to Network or Connections, then Hotspot and Tethering. Tap the Hotspot entry to view options. This is where the timer or sleep settings live. Follow along, because the next steps change, or remove the automatic timer. You'll now locate the hotspot timer. Look for hotspot timeout, sleep policy, or auto turn off within the hotspot settings. Tap that option and switch from a timed value, like 5, 10, or 30 minutes, to never, or simply turn the auto off toggle off. If your phone uses an advanced menu, expand it. Sometimes carriers hide controls inside their app, so check there if you don't see the toggle. Make adjustments intentionally, because leaving it on defeats persistent tethering purposes. Finish by saving changes, turning the hotspot off, then back on, and testing with a phone or laptop to confirm it stays active. If the timer still enforces itself, update your OS, review carrier restrictions, or perform a network settings reset. These steps often clear hidden policies. As a last resort, consider a reputable third-party tethering app, but only when official settings are unavailable and you understand permissions. If problems continue, contact carrier support to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.